Okay, so this video we're going to construct a rectangle using given dimensions. So our rectangle here is going to be 3.5 inches by 3.25 inches. Okay, so I'm going to start here by drawing my baseline AB, and we're going to draw this at 3.5 inches. So I'm going to go from 3 to 6.5. And we will call this line AB. Now the next thing is with a rectangle, all sides intersect other sides at a 90-degree angle, right? So all four corners are 90 degrees. So what we need to do here is we need to construct a 90-degree angle at either A or B. I'm just going to choose A. So to start this out, we just set the compass to a reasonable radius. We set our compass on point A. Okay, that's what I'm choosing. And then I draw an arc that cuts through AB approximately 180 degrees. Then from that point, I scribe an arc that crosses through the larger one, and then I step off the compass again to this point and I draw another arc through. At this point, we can label those, let's say C and D. And then what I need to do is set my compass on point C. I draw an arc above A, and then from D, I draw an arc above A. That allows me to draw a perpendicular line, which I can now connect from A up through that intersecting point, which we will call E. Now I have my perpendicular point to line AB. So next up here, what I need to do is I need to step off this perpendicular line, the second dimension, the second side length. So we have 3.25. So line AB down here is 3.5. So parallel to that up here, I'm going to have another line that's also 3.5. And then to complete the rectangle, I'm going to have over the side over here, which is going to be 3.25. And then a parallel line to that over here that is also 3.25. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to set my compass up to 3.25. So I set my radius up. I'm on 3. So I'm going to go to 6.25. This is what I have there. So I'm from 3 to 6.25, which is 3.25 inches. And then from A, I'm going to scribe an arc that's going to intersect this line. Now I didn't quite draw the first line long enough, which is fine. I just have to come back, set my compass up, or my straight edge up, sorry, and I connect that line a little higher. All right, and now I'm intersecting through there, and let's say we're creating point F. Now, because like I mentioned, this side here, now called AF, is going to have a parallel line over here, B to some point up here, right? Parallel line creating 90 degrees in all the corners. So because I already have the compass set to 3.25, I'm going to come over to B, set the point on B, and then scribe an arc up above B. And now I have created 2 points that are 3.25 off of line AB. Now I can't connect anything up here yet because I don't have the intersecting point. I would be guessing where the 90 degrees is. But this is where it becomes nice and easy, because there's going to be a parallel line from AB that is 3.5 inches. So I set my compass up to AB, and then I construct that parallel line from point F. And that creates my intersection. And let's call that point G. So now AB is parallel to the points FG, and AF is parallel to the points BG. So to complete this rectangle, I just have to connect point B up to point G, and then connect F and G. And slide my ruler up to the top so I can see it better. And then I can connect F to G. Now, every one of these corners meet at a right angle, and AB is 3.5 inches, and so is FG. And AF is 3.25 inches, and so is BG. And that creates my rectangle.